Amriteshware Namaha. I am Krishnendu Espille. I am going to make marshmallows. So, I will introduce the ingredients we need. First, gelatin. Then 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of powdered sugar, and 1/4 cup of corn flour. Then a bowl of water and oil, sunflower oil. Take the sunflower oil and apply it to the vessel. Now grease it well. First, take the powdered sugar and the 1/4 cup of corn flour. Filter it well. I take 2 spoons of mixture and apply it into the vessel. Take 2 spoons of gelatin and pour it into the water. Then mix it well. Let it set for 10 minutes. So, we are going to make sugar syrup. For that, we need 1 cup of sugar and half cup of water and on it. And mix it. Add a pinch of salt. Now let it boil for 7 minutes. Now the sugar syrup is ready. Take the gelatin and mix it to the sugar syrup. Mix it well till the gelatin melts. Now the mixture is ready. Pour it into the bowl. Let it beat for 5 minutes. Now add 1 spoon of vanilla essence and beat it till it will become a thick consistency. Beat till it will become a ribbon consistency. Pour it to the vessel. Pour the cornflour mix to this. Let it set for 4 hours. Now the marshmallow is ready. Pour some flavored mixture to the marshmallow. Now I am going to cut the marshmallows. Now I made it into the smallest pieces. Look how soft it is. Super.